Hello back everyone. Throughout this session we're gonna discuss about while loop. While loop basically doing the same what for loop is doing. It's basically a counter. You have to specify your initialization and your condition. So our task throughout this session, we will re-implement what we did before in our for loop session. So here is it, the for loop. This basically print 10 numbers starting from 0 reaching till 10. Look at that. Here is it, the output of that for loop. So basically I would like to convert it to while loop. How can I do that? Man, it's very simple and very easy. First of all, you will take that part because that part is initialization. You need initialization to be written like that. After that, you're gonna write while. Between while bracket, you have to specify your condition. So here is it, my condition. I will take it from there, which is basically if I less than or equal to 10. The next part, it will be while body. So while body, inside that body, I will take the console.log as it is, like that, and just paste it here. But hey, I think we forgot something. Yes, we have to add our incremental. So here is it, which is basically I++. So right now, our initialization is basically 0. Here is it. Oh, this one, it should be 1. After that, he will go to check about that condition. Is 1 less than or equal to 10? Yes. So please go and print it out. After that, please increment by 1. The new value will be 2. Is 2 less than or equal to 10? Yes. And go and do the same. And so on till I is equal to 11. Is 11 less than or equal to 10? Oh no, that's wrong. So he will not go to this body and he will not do anything. So here is it, you can find the output of this program. Let me check it together. And here is it, the output of the program. And here is it, the output of the program starting from 1 till 10. Thank you for watching and keep coding. See you in next session.